guys, so today I'm going to be doing a review on Nail Addict Los Angeles. They sent me a cute little package with gel nail polishes and the lamp. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my nails with the gel polish. So I'm super excited. So do you want me to? Nail Addict is participating in the International Breast Cancer Awareness Month this year. And for every single order, Nail Addict will be donating $1 of their proceeds throughout Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Leslie, and like I said, I'm gonna be doing a little review on Nail Addict Los Angeles. I've already used this multiple times. I just want you guys to see how I do my nails. I don't usually have a lot of time to go get my nails done, especially like when people get their nails glammed out. Those things can take like 3 hours, and then on top of that, if I do want to paint my own nails, I don't have time to wait for it to dry. So I'm really super excited because I didn't own anything gel related before. Have I gotten gel polish done before? Yes. But for me to do my own nails, it's literally a hassle. And sometimes I will just go to the stores and get like press-ons, but sometimes they don't have like the color press-ons that I need in time for whatever I'm trying to shoot. So I'm excited because I figured out a way for me to do my own nails. And when I tell you I'm not the best like nail artist at all, and this is so simple for me, I promise you like anybody could do this. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also go ahead and hit the subscribe button and that notification bell, and let's get into it. So I'm going to show you all this stuff that you need. Okay, your hands, I already washed them. I actually have a really bad finger chewing problem, so I just be like chewing on my fingers and stuff, so my cuticles look awful, literally awful. Look at that. So my thumbs are probably gonna look the worst. They always look the worst, especially when you're not getting like acrylic. But like I said, I sometimes don't have time to go to the nail salon. Most of the time I don't have time. That's why my nails are never usually done. So after that, I have some rubbing alcohol here to clean off my nails. I have a nail file, and I don't even know what this thing is called, but I'll put all this stuff in my description box so you guys know what to get. Also, I believe I have a coupon code. If I do, if you want extra money off, don't forget to look in my description box for the coupon code, so that way you can get money off your next order. I also got some press-on nails. These are Kiss. I'll put this in the description box, and it comes with this glue, and this glue is banging. It's like the best glue ever, and I wear press-ons all the time, and they last me about like 10 days, and usually regular press-ons do not last 10 days with regular glue. So yeah, and this is the mini LED lamp that they provided to me. Nail Addict actually provided this to me. It's really small and really cute and portable. It looks like this, and basically when you want to turn it on, there's a power button here. Let me show you. If you press it once, it's 30 seconds. You press it twice, it's 45 seconds, I believe. And then to turn it off, I think it's 3 times. But I probably have the timing wrong. Nope, it's 45 seconds and 60 seconds. So one time is 45 seconds, and then 60 seconds is the second time. So basically you just flip this little part out. You see, this is what it looks like. And it comes with a wire, so it's not wireless. Okay, so basically I'm gonna plug it in right here, have it set up. And basically I'm gonna be putting my nails underneath after I do every layer of polish. So let me go ahead and set that up. I'm gonna plug it. I forgot where. I'll plug it into the little spot back here. And it doesn't come with a box, so you have to have like one of those boxes, but you could use like your iPhone charger. Unless you have like the newer iPhone, you just have to get like a regular USB port. And this, guys, is all the polish that I received from Nail Addict. I have base coat and top coat. And then look how cute these colors are. I got like a little light pink. Yep. I have this cute little gray, which I used last time. So pretty. I'm gonna use the blue today. Even though this is a little bit more summery, I just fill in the blue. And then I have like this darker pink. But they have like these really cute colors on their website, and yeah, so I'm really super excited to get started. All right, so basically first things first, I'm not a nail artist, so like I don't know if this is the correct way, but this is how I did it and it lasted forever. I'm gonna go ahead and take alcohol. So first things first, I wash my hands. I'm gonna go ahead and file my regular nails out, so that way like when they come from under the nails they don't look too crazy. But I'm just gonna file them down a little bit lower because some of them grew, but I haven't lost any of my nail growth doing it like this. So clearly I'm doing something right because my nails are still kind of long. Like look at this one, you see that? They're like nice size. They're not too long, but like they're pretty long. My pinky is kind of short, but that's because I be biting on my nails. But yeah, I'm just gonna like shape them out, make them small on the side. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So basically now that I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and take an alcohol swab and just wipe my nails off, because I'm gonna glue the press-ons next. I can't paint them beforehand because there's no way to transfer it under the LED light. So now my nails are alcoholed up. They're nice and clean. Or you could use like acetone too. I don't have acetone. I do, but it's very mild and I'd rather just use alcohol. If you have any leftover glue on your nails, you can use acetone, things like that. Or you can also like file it down. Like you could use this and just like smooth it out if you want. And then I'm probably gonna wipe it down with alcohol again because now there's powder all over it. Now everything is smooth on my nails. I'm gonna wipe it down with alcohol again because now it has powder all over it. Now my nails are nice and clean after the alcohol. So basically now with the nails, you kind of have to just find the ones that fit your fingers the most. I like to just do one hand at a time, and then I like to pull the other nail out just in case. So basically I'm looking and you can see that this is obviously too big for my thumb. Here we go. So obviously this one fits my nail, fits all the way to the side. So this would be the first one that I put on. And I'm just gonna put it on and then I'm gonna take another one out from my other hand so that way I don't have to do it again. So yeah, basically what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put the glue on my thumb, like on my actual physical nail. I don't know how much to explain, but hopefully this kind of shows you how much I put. Yeah, I don't know if I'm doing a really good job of showing you, but I put a really good amount. And then I go ahead and I just press it on because it goes all the way. This is the ones that go all the way to your cuticle, so you don't have to worry about like filling it in or anything like that. And I just press it down. Like, that's literally what I do. Is it the correct way? Who knows? This is just the way I do it. So basically I'm gonna do this step 9 more times. So I will be back to you guys when I have all the nails on. Okay guys, I'm back. So this is what my nails look like when I finally get the nails glued on. It took about 5 minutes. It didn't take much time, but yeah, they look really good. And now I'm about to paint them. So like I said, I am going to use the base coat from Nail Addict, and I'm going to be using the color Another Glass from Nail Addict, and then I'm going to use the top coat, and then my LED lamp is right here, so I'm going to put my nails underneath the LED lamp every time. So yeah, I do really like coats, and then I'll show you what it looks like after I do one hand. So I wanted to say guys that this nail polish is very easily movable, so like if you make a mistake, I usually like just take like a little piece of paper and I clear it up. Yeah, I am filming a YouTube video, so bear with me. Yeah, so basically I'm going to take this base coat, and I'm not a nail artist so I can't really show you guys how I do it, but I do a really thin layer of the base because if it's too thick then it gets like really peely. It's something that I noticed, so I'll show you what it looks like after I do a really quick there, like it's like 1 2 3, and it's really thin. You can barely see it. Yeah, it's very, very thin. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my nails, but it's really easy to apply the base. So try really hard not to get it on your fingers though, because usually if you get it on your fingers, it will like transfer on and it'll be easy to peel off, and you can't really take it off once it's dry under the LED light. Okay guys, I have all my nails done, and I'm gonna go ahead and click on the LED light once, and I'm gonna put my hand under there. And then sometimes I like to do it a second time because the other side of my thumb, because this LED light is so little, I like to do it twice on my thumb because it kind of misses it a little bit. All right, so this is my first hand, guys. I did really well. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my best to just do all my one hand first, and then I'll go and do my other hand so that way I don't have to go back and forth. So now I'm going to use this. I do 2 coats of the gel polish, but I do really, really light coats. It's really important not to do too many because it will run all over the place. It's very, very thick. I'm going to show you guys. It's very thick, so you want to be careful. Like a lot can come out. So I literally like just clear this whole thing, and it's still dripping from the top. So I really do when I tell you I do really, really thin layers, I do really thin layers. This is the first layer. See how there's still like space? It's not like perfect. Let me see if I can get it to focus. But yeah, it's really thin layer. So kind of the top is a little bit thick. I'm gonna see if I can make it a little bit thinner. All right guys, so this is what it looks like. You see how it's messy around the corners? I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit. All right guys, so this is the first coat. I tried the best that I can to clean it up, but it looks like I'm gonna have to clean it up after as well a little bit. But yeah, for the first coat, it looks really good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my second coat really thin. All right guys, so this is after the second coat, and I will clean it up after. Oh, that's my face. So this is after my second coat. And as you can see, I have to clean up the edges a little bit, and now I'm gonna do the top coat. So yeah, but as you can see, it's been so easy. There's like barely any mess. Like I'm doing a really good job with keeping it neat. Okay guys, this is the top coat. I did a way neater job this time, but soon I'll be able to clean it up. So I'm excited. I'm gonna do press the button twice on the LED light so that way it could be on there a little bit longer. All right guys, look, I got my one hand done. Comment below what you think. I'm literally obsessed. Now you guys can understand why I love this gel polish so much. It's so pretty and it was so easy to do. I just have to clean it up and I have to do my other hand. So I will be back to you guys once I finish my other hand, and I'm gonna tell you my final thoughts on the product. All right guys, so I got both of my hands done. So the last step of what you're going to do is you're gonna just take a swab and you're gonna put alcohol on it. Ooh. And you're just gonna take the sticky stuff that's on top of the nail because it gets really, really sticky. Basically, after you take alcohol, this is basically the final result. They come out really, really pretty. They're really quick. Do they look as professional as like a nail salon? No, but it's something that I can do while I'm home and I don't have to wait for them to dry or anything like that. And then sometimes I have like these projects that I do where my nails have to be done, but I just don't have time to go get them done. So this is a really cool alternative. But yeah, I just really love the polish. I love the quality. I love how it's really thick, so you have to be really careful. But I do love the quality of the polish. This is like the 4th time I've done my nails like this. And I will link everything in my description box for you guys. And I want to thank Nail Addict Los Angeles so much for sending me this package, because this is like my go-to. This is all I do now. I literally could do whatever I want, and I have my own nail kit for on the go. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to like this video and comment below any other brand you would like me to try. I love you guys so much. Peace.